What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? It's your girl Tina Bling, and we back again with a nail vlog. Yes, today sis, we are gonna be doing the Revolution acrylic nails, and this is in the color, it's not even a color, it's actually the natural nail. So I'm gonna try this out, and yeah, let's see how it works. Okay, so the first step before you even start putting on your nails, you want to make sure you cut your cuticles, you cut your nails down, you file them up, and lastly, you want to make sure that you buffer them so that it has a nice grip for the nails to grab on. So you're going to grab a buffer like this or even a nail file, and you're just going to rough up your nails. That's what I like to call it. So it's like a little bit rigid. This step is very, very, very important. We are going to use some acetone. You can use alcohol if you like. And we're just going to place them on a cotton pad. We want to make sure our nails are free from all oils, because the oils will not help our nails to last long like we want them to. So I just clean off all that extra powder. Our nails are clean. Now we could open up our box of nails. You see it comes with a little nail file and a cuticle pusher, glue stick, and extra nails in the back. So what I like to do is take the nails, size them out, and lay them down like so. So that fits. My thumb, do I have numbers on them? No, these do not have numbers on it. Great. So then you got to go up to each nail. It's easier when it has the number on it, because if you have one number on one hand, most likely it's going to be the same on the next hand. So now I am ready to put my nails on. Yes, so we're going to take our glue, open it up. Just going to pop that open. You have a little tab. You're just going to twist that open. And your glue is ready to dispense. So what I like to do is take a small drop. Oh, you know what? Yeah. So I like to put my nails on. Sometimes you want to like make sure that it is the right nail, because I have made the mistake before where one nail, the nail actually was in the wrong spot and I put the wrong nail on, and I was so upset. So I like to just double check that it is the right size. Like that one was the wrong size for that, and I would just put it on. And right, so that's the perfect size for this nail. I'm going to size it, make sure it's the right size. Take a nice drop of glue, like that. Press your nail down, make sure the glue spreads out evenly, and make sure the nail is even straight. Because once you press that nail down too hard, you ain't gonna be able to get that in. I think I might paint these nails over. They are a natural look. I didn't know that it was a natural look. I thought it was just like the color. Alright, that nail. It's trash. It's trash. Let's start over with the thumb. Let's start over. Okay, so this thumb fits perfectly. I'm gonna make a little drop. Our nails on top. Squeeze. Press down. There we go. This is for the ladies that like a natural looking nail. These nails are very natural looking. I don't know how they're appearing on the camera. Very natural. Alright, I think I might be putting a little bit too much glue. So we're going to put a smaller dot. It's not a bad thing that the glue comes out, but it doesn't look as neat with the... So yeah, almost done. Okay, size it, fits well. A little drop. Now make sure the glue really spreads out throughout the nail. Like you want to do this spread effect. Okay. Pretty sturdy. Real sturdy actually. So I am gonna go ahead and re-glue it. Okay. First hand done. So now let's move on to our next hand. Starting with, I guess, the ring finger. We have my kiss nails. I think I'm actually gonna paint them. I have this cute little nude. I think I'm gonna throw that on it and do a top coat on it as well. So yeah. Okay sis, so I went ahead and painted my nails because I was not feeling that natural nude color anymore. And these nails you could actually wear natural or polished, so that's great. It was easy to paint on, and yeah, so I'll see you guys back again with another video with your girl Tina Blangs. Oh yeah, and this is the color that I use. Ew.